it going?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. I was hoping to get this on my arm. It's in Gaelic.
Is it spelled right?
Yep, found it online, so should be all good.
Okay, I don't speak Gaelic, so I'll take your word for it.
Thank
Just
you.
get you to sign a waiver here.
Hey, do you mind if I grab a beer as well? Shade of Ea.
You speak Gaelic? My grandfather used to speak it all the time to me and my brothers.
Oh yeah? I think it's pretty important that we preserve our heritage. You know, I just got this tattoo as well. It says, "You will always be in my heart." You know, like the language is always in our
Wait,
hearts.
hold on. That doesn't say you will always be in my heart.
What?
It says, can I go to the toilet?
No.
Ole,